channel. Today we are looking at Cogent Biosciences, and today the stock price of Cogent Biosciences is up 3.70%, trading at $9.53. The volume seems to be on par with what we expect, with 826,000 shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 2.7 million. The market capitalization of Cogent Biosciences is right now at $588 million. And previously, the stock closed at $9.19, opened today at $7.79, which was quite low, and so far has risen all the way up to $9.50. Cogent Biosciences Inc. is a biotechnology company that focuses on developing precision therapies for genetically defined diseases. Its lead product candidate includes COGT 9486, a selective tyrosine kinase inhibitor designed to inhibit the KIT D816V mutation that drives systemic mastocytosis, as well as other mutations in KIT exon 17, which are found in patients with advanced gastrointestinal stromal tumors. It has a licensing agreement with Plexxikon Inc. for the research, development, and commercialization of bezuclastinib. The company was formerly known as Unum Therapeutics and changed its name to Cogent Biosciences Inc. in October 2020. Cogent Biosciences Inc. was incorporated in 2014 and is headquartered in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The company employs 77 full-time employees. So if you look at this graph over the past 5 days, you will see that, let me pull it out to the monthly. You will see that around June 9th, June 10th, the stock exploded, and the reason for that was because Cogent Biosciences had a very positive initial outcome for one of their drug candidates, and that sent the stock, heading to the moon. Since then, we haven't seen much of a growth, but if you look at the 6 months, you guys can see that we are actually higher than where we were 6 months ago. That's December 2021. And I think, like I've said on a couple of the videos I just did, that the market seems to be trading sideways. And in case you want to invest in any of these companies, this might actually be the time to, put in your orders to buy the stock of the companies. So that's what is going on with Cogent Biosciences. On June 16th, which is just last week, Cogent Biosciences announced the closing of upsized public offering of common stock and a pre-funded warrant and full exercise of underwriters' option to purchase additional shares. So I would take this to mean that the company was buying its shares back, so that's a good thing. Anyways, that's what we have for Cogent Biosciences. Today seems to be a good day on Wall Street. S&P 500 is up 2.55%. The Dow 30 is up 1.83%. Nasdaq is up 3.20%. And the Russell 2000 is up 2.54%. I will jump off here so you guys can do your trades for this morning. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that subscribe button. That way we get closer to our target of 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November of this year. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next one.